Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. You say tangy and I say chutney. Today we are going to cook this lip-smacking dry fish chutney with Roselle leaves from Northeast India. The leaves and flowers of this Roselle plant are sour and this is how they look. They are quite easily available across South India and are locally known as gongura. I have ensured that the stems are completely plucked out, just like what you can see, and ensure you don't have them because they are quite hard to eat. And the other ingredients that we will need for this chutney are of course dry fish. Take any of your choice, salt, sliced onions, oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, ginger and slit green chilies. Now let's start making our tenga pata with dry fish chutney. First of all, heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then add your washed dry fish. Stir fry it for a couple of minutes on a medium flame. Add your sliced onions, finely chopped green chilies and finely chopped ginger. Stir and cook them until the onions turn golden brown and it's completely cooked. Now add your Roselle leaves and salt as per taste. Stir and cook it on a low flame until the leaves turn flaccid. Then add half a cup of water and open cook them until the leaves are completely cooked and turns mushy and the water completely dries. And here you go, our dry fish chutney is ready. The chutney has a deep green color and you can see the onions and mustard seeds. It does not have much water, but do keep it slightly wet so that it's juicy. And cheers. It's tangy, as I have said. And to all my Telugu friends, I know you guys love gongura. So if you have any inhibitions about northeastern food, do give this chutney a try to start with. It has this beautiful aroma of a fruity texture coming from the leaves, and I love the fragrance and flavor of dried fish. I think this dish is going to taste wonderful even with dried shrimps. But let me tell you guys, this will go really well with some hot steamed rice and piping hot boiled dal or lentils. I can just go on eating this chutney. So guys, if you have enjoyed watching this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also let me know about your thoughts in the comments and what you have to say if this dish can be improvised further. But we love it in this way. Across northeastern India, we do have roselle leaves in different forms, dried, fresh, just name it. And although different tribes prepare in slightly different ways, I like mine in this version. And if you have any recipe stored, please share it across so that I can share with rest of the viewers. Also a big thank you to all of those who have watched this video so far. Do let me know what you think about my channel and the travel vlogs if you have not watched them yet. And I will see you soon in the next episode with another northeastern recipe.